Hello guys, today we are at Orangeville test center and we are going to go to G2 test route. They have got 4 different test routes in Orangeville. We'll go all the test routes one by one, but just remember one thing, they just keep on mixing all these 4 routes. So make sure you watch all these 4 routes in my video. And if you still have any questions, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. Okay, let's go to Orangeville G2 test route number 1. You need to park here, then the exam will tell you take a right here, look around, everything is clear, we can take a right here. Yeah, go straight there. Keep in the right side. When you keep in the right side, just make sure the cars are coming from the opposite side. Sometimes the trucks are taking tests here, so be careful around here. Keep on the right side here. We'll take a left from this stop sign, and first thing is at a stop sign you have to do is completely stop your car. Completely stop your car completely here, and then go further ahead, check, look around, no one, go left. Next stop sign we will take left here. This is always stop sign, and speed limit is 40 here. In this community area, it's 40 speed limit. Stop here completely, look around, no one coming. We'll take left here. And speed limit is 40 here. Don't exceed speed limit, is 40 speed limit here. Look around, look all the driveways, look everywhere. So next stop sign, in the route number 1 I will take you straight, route number 2 and 3 I will take you left and right from this stop sign. So in route number 1 I am going to take you straight from this stop sign, and make sure stop completely at the stop sign. Stop completely. Now we are the first one. Look around both sides. We will take right here. We'll take a right from the first street here. And still speed limit is 40 here. In the community zone, speed limit is 40. Take a left here. See what is written on the stop sign. It's written there two-way. Two-way meaning is you have stop sign, other side have stop sign. Middle they don't have stop sign. Stop completely and go a little further. See anyone coming from any side. If anyone coming from any side, we have to wait for them. Yeah, we'll take a left here, and then we'll take again left from the next traffic light. It's certain there maximum 40 ends. So it's maximum 40 ends here, and it's 50 on the Broadway. When you're standing here, look around in the intersection. Don't keep on staying at the traffic light. Look for the cyclist, look for the car, look their traffic light, look is behind you, look is in front of you, look everywhere. Look around there. Anyone there? No one. There's everything is clear. Who can come in our way when we turn left? If any pedestrian is here, no pedestrian is here, no cyclist is here yet. So our thing will be clear. Our way will be clear. Yeah, look around. Not keep on just looking at the light. Keep on looking back mirror every 5 seconds. We have to check everything back also, front also. This is long light. Be careful here. Yeah, it's taking very long time. That's okay. That's fine. Look both sides. Look everywhere. Yeah, so it's like look like it's going to change soon. Keep on looking back, look on the side, who can come in our way. No one is, everything is clear. Yeah, good. Light is green, just quickly scan both sides, then take a left here. Everything is clear. Just look both sides, look around, and then examiner will tell you take left from the first traffic light. It's 50 here on Broadway, speed limit is 50 here. So maintain 50, and from the first traffic light, you take a left. As light is red, we have to stop there. Everything is clear. We can turn left here. Yeah, it's 40 here, 40 in this area. Be careful. And somewhere in this area, they are going to tell you to do 3-point turn, parallel parking, uphill and downhill parking. We are not going to do these things here now, but they will tell you in exam this do the parking things here. In this area, anyway, they will tell you do pull over, do uphill parking or downhill parking, something like that. They will tell you in this area. So be careful about that. And for to learn these parking things, you can watch my another video about the parking, back parking, front parking. It says stop sign, always stop sign. Look around, everything is clear. In G2 test, they ask all these parking, parallel parking, 3-point turn, uphill and downhill parking, and sometimes they ask back parking also. We'll take a right from this stop sign. Stop completely. Yeah, everything is clear. Take a right here. Keep on the rightmost side. Speed limit is 40 here. Still is a community zone area, so speed limit is 40. On the main road, speed limit is 50. In the community area, speed limit is 40. Please maintain the speed limit. And the next stop sign, we will take a right. We'll take a right here. Take a right here. Right into the parking lot. Keep to the rightmost side. Keep on the right side here. Because opposite side some cars are coming, and on the right side they are taking a truck test. Be careful about that also. Yeah, then they will tell you to park anywhere on the right side, or they may ask you the back parking here. So first park on the right side. That's it. Then examiner will tell you, you meet Ministry Standard today, you pass, go and get your license from inside and go and get your license. Congratulations, you pass. I hope you like my all these videos about your G2 test route, and if you still have any question, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965.